Chapter 1 Windows XP Control Panel. We have already learned about basic features and working of operating system Windows XP. Its desktop, start menu, launching programs, applications and managing files and folders in previous class. Let's study advanced features of Windows XP, its settings by customizing Windows XP through use of Control Panel. Control Panel. Control Panel features a number of tools that will help us control how Windows XP features look and behaves. To open the Control Panel, click on Start button. Click Control Panel. Navigating through the Control Panel. The Windows XP Control Panel is divided into categories. If you click a category, the window presents a list of tasks and related control panel icons which perform the same function as old versions of Windows. The new control panel design provides multiple ways to perform functions, thereby making it more user-friendly. However, the new control panel design doesn't provide you with access to every available control panel tool. It only provides you access to the most commonly used tools. You can shift to your old classic view also by following some simple steps. 1. Click the Classic View link present on the left side of your control panel. The screen will appear. Classic View. While working with Classic View of Control Panel, you can see different options like Add and Remove Programs, Keyboard, Mouse, Date and Time, etc. 2. Click the Switch to Category View link to switch back to the category view. The screen will appear. Category View. By default, the Windows XP Control Panel appears as a window in which various options are divided into categories. As the name category implies, the individual items from the classic view have been categorized into related areas. This category view makes it easy for users to locate the specific set of options that they wish to access. Below, all the options are listed. Options. Description. Appearance and themes. Using this option, you can change settings for your desktop, screensaver and theme, wallpaper, etc. Network and Internet connections. You can use this option to install Internet connection and change setting of Internet Explorer, firewall settings, etc. Add or remove programs. Whenever we need to install or uninstall any software program on computer, this is where we will do it. One should always uninstall software rather than delete it from hard drive. Sound, speech and audio devices. This option is used to set sound, speaker and recording settings, etc. Performance and maintenance. This option is used to schedule regular maintenance checks, increase space for hard disk or configure power settings. Printers and other hardware. This is where your printers are installed and where you would go to manage their settings. Other than this, the options provide us to change the setting of mouse, keyboard or scanner, etc. User accounts. A user account defines what a user can do using Windows XP. Date, time, language and regional options. You can adjust date, time and time zone settings for your computer. You can even change the way numbers, currencies, dates, and times are displayed. Accessibility options. You can adjust your computer setting for hearing, vision, and mobility, etc. using this option. Security options. This option is used to check the security scan of your PC and settings of other hardware. Appearance and themes. To change the appearance of the Windows XP, Windows provides different options for the look of the screens. To get to the display options, click on Appearance and Themes. Click on Change the computer's theme. Open Display Properties. Click on Appearance and Themes. Under Windows and Buttons, you can change the look of a window box to the XP style, or you can select Classic Style, which is the style that was used in Windows 98. Click on Windows and Buttons. Under Color Scheme, you can choose different colors for the Windows boxes. Click on Color Scheme. Under Font Size, you can choose between small, normal, and large size. Click on Font Size. Once all changes are done, click on Apply and then OK button to apply the changes. To change the theme of the Windows XP, a theme is nothing more than a way to group the different characteristics that affect the appearance of Windows XP by giving it a name. This way you can change the theme with a single click. In Control Panel, click on Appearance and Themes. Open Display Properties. Click on Change the computer's theme. From the theme list, choose the theme you prefer. In the Simple, you can see how it will look. If you wish to save the changes, select My Favorite Theme and click Save As. Then name it and click OK. Changes will be applied to the Windows XP. To change the wallpaper and screensaver. Wallpaper is the background image on a computer screen that appears on your desktop, whereas screensaver is a program designed to prevent computer monitors by blanking the screen or filling it with moving pictures or patterns when the computer is not in use, and also provides some privacy in our work or home environment. Windows XP comes with several screensavers and wallpapers, and you can even download them using internet and can change your desktop look by choosing any background and screensaver from the desktop and screensaver top in the display properties window and applying it. To customize the taskbar, click on Start button. Click Control Panel. Click on Appearance and Theme. A dialog box opens with the Taskbar tab displayed. Click on Taskbar and Start menu. Using the checkboxes as per your choice to customize its appearance and click OK.